Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I finally have the Realme C85 Pro box here in the studio. So in this video we will be unboxing the Realme C85 Pro. So this phone has a 7000 mAh battery size. Also we have 45-watt super fast charging. Also on the front we have a 4000 nits with 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, IP69 water and dust resistance. Also here we also have AI, so AI features it is here. So on the back, same specification, we also have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 SoC, which is not the fastest SoC we have in this price range. And the color I have is the peacock green color. We have 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of internal storage. And this one is also manufactured in Pakistan. So once again, we have a yellow box, and these are the two colors that you're getting this year with the Realme C85 Pro. Let's remove the plastic with my knife like this, and now let's open this box without any wasting time. So on the box we have this mini box. So inside this envelope we have our suggestion tool. Also we have our quick start guide, and we also have a silicone case, which looks like a silicone case. Yes, it is silicone case. And right here is the Realme C85 Pro in the green color. So now let's out the phone from this box like this. So here is the peacock green color looks like, I gotta say, and the green color, it is a really subtle green color. Also you can see on the back we have a peacock design. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So logo it is here. Now let's see what test we get, and then the phone. So here is our adapter. So we have a 45-watt super fast charger with the Realme C85 Pro, USB type C to USB A cable, and that's about it. No hand-free inside the box, but the good thing is that we have a charger in the box, which is also a really good thing these days. So now let's put all these things to the side. Let's look at the Realme C85 Pro. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So let's look at the SIM tray. So IP69 rating also there. So you can see, looks like we have a hybrid SIM slots, which is not a good thing, I would say. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top, absolutely nothing, no additional microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. So this phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So on the front we have a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. We also have 4000 nits of peak brightness. Also on the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a depth sensor on the back. So now let's quickly set up the phone up, and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Realme C85. So here all the pre-installed apps we have inside the Realme C85 Pro. So you can see we have a lot of bloatware which is already installed. So here is the notification panel looks like. So looks like we have new Realme UI, and let's go to the settings, and now let's go about device, and this one is running on latest Android 15. So no Android 16, but in the control panel it is much more inspired from iPhone. Here is a max brightness looks like. So yes, on display it looks really bright. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 25.4 GB it is already used. So let's see the fingerprint scanner. We have an in-display fingerprint scanner, you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is working absolutely fast. So let's look at the camera. So here's the back camera looks like. As you can see, here is the 2x. We don't have any ultra wide, we only have a single camera, which is useful one, video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. So here is the street mode, here is the night mode, and here is the photo, here is the portrait in the mode section, and the pro mode also available, and the 50 megapixel mode also available, and the slow motion as well as the dual video mode also available, and the tilt shift underwater feature also available. So all those things it is available. So let's look at the front facing camera, and the photo is came out, I would say, nice but not really sharp. Looks like we have 8 megapixel selfie camera. So here's the video mode. The front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps, and here is the night mode, here is the portrait, and the slow motion it is not available. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a massive 7000 mAh battery size, and the weight balance it is excellent on this Realme C85 Pro. Yes, this phone feels heavier but not a massive. Also we have 45 watts super fast charging, so this phone should give you at least 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So overall I have to say regarding the C85 Pro, yes, in the back cameras, even the front facing camera, it is below average, and the Snapdragon 685, I would say it is not the best SoC we have in this price range. So I definitely don't recommend the Realme C85 Pro if you want the best smartphone in this price range. Yes, if you want the best option that is available only from Realme, you can buy the Realme C85 Pro. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme C85 Pro. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.